Hi guys, welcome to Auto Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So first of all we will go into the Snapchat, and here you have to just click on the chat section and just click on the ID. Okay, and you have to go over the settings section, that is the top right side corner. Okay, and after that, and you have to scroll down and you have to go to your privacy control, and the first option you have to click on that is contact me, and you have to select everyone and you have to just go back, and after that you have to just scroll up. Okay, so there is one more option, let me show you. There is view my story, and you have to just click on that and you have to select everyone. Okay, and you have to go back, and after that you have to click on see my location and you have to turn off the ghost mode. Okay, so just let me turn off the ghost mode, and I have to give the permission to access my location. Okay, so here you have to choose. There is three option, that is my friend accept, and only these friends. So basically you have to choose my friend, and below here you will get the option again that you can reselect it afterwards. Okay, now you have to just go back on your profile section. Okay, and here you will get an option to say that is public profile. So basically right now you can create a public profile from here. Just click on that, and after that you have to just get started and you have to click on create. Okay, and after that, see your public profile is made. So this is how, guys, this is how you can make a public profile on Snapchat. So I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.